My dad always told me to work smarter, not harder. It's always like been embedded in my brain since I was a little kid. And if I can help others not have to work so hard to produce the same result or to reach their goal, then I've reached my goal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Math Dojo. My name is Michelle. For those of you who don't know me, I am a middle school math teacher from Los Angeles. So I'm really excited for today's video. It's something that's helped make my life a lot easier as far as teaching and life in general. So in today's video, I'm going to show you multiple ways that you can change a PDF into an editable document because there are multiple ways to do it, and some ways are better than others depending on what document that you're trying to edit. If you only have text, if you have text with a lot of pictures, if you have a lot of tables, charts, and data, and that kind of a PDF, you'll need to do it a different way. So I'm here to show you multiple ways to edit a PDF document. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content just like this. I make videos for teachers, parents, and students. I am a math teacher, so the Math Dojo is more geared toward math content, but everything that I share on my channel, you can also apply it to your business or other forms of teaching. I use it for my math class and teaching math, but you can always adapt it to fit your lifestyle and what you need it for. So let's get into the video, how to edit a PDF. Okay, so the first way of editing a PDF is through Google Docs. This is the best way and option if you're trying to edit text. But don't worry, my next options will cover the ways to edit a PDF if your form has more than just text. All right, so for option one, you're going to want to start in your Google Drive. If your PDF is not already in your Google Drive, you're going to want to hit New and then go to File, Upload, and upload that file into your Google Drive. So I would pick a PDF and then click Open, and then it would open into my Google Drive. I already have this one that I wanted to use. I can click on it and open it in this view, and then click Open With and go to Google Docs, or if it's in this view, and if this is the PDF I want to open, I can right click on it or control click, and then I can click Open With and then Google Docs. So I'm going to click on this right now, and it takes a little bit to convert. Like I said, this option is the best for text only, because look here, now you can have this document which you can edit that you don't want this so big, or you want it all in one straight line, or however you want to edit is yours to edit as you choose. However, this was the original PDF. If you notice here, it has this picture at the top, it has lines dividing the sections, it has lines for you to fill out for you to write on. So this obviously does not come with the lines, it does not come with the pictures. However, it is a pretty good version of the original version for you to edit. So again, option one is really good if you have a lot of text on your document. Okay. All right. So option number two is through the Preview app. Is it called an app? No, I don't know. But you know when you open up a PDF on a Mac and it comes up in Preview? That's what I'm talking about. I know for a PC it's different. You don't have Preview, but it is another form, and you can use the same tools that I'm talking about right now. It's just not called Preview, it's called something else. What you want to do is you want to first find a PDF, then open it normally in your Preview. And I have this that I bought from Teacher Pay Teachers. So it's a 96-page math intervention unit, and this is in the form of a PDF. I would just pick a page that we would do for math. Let's go ahead and click on this pre-test. I don't want to do the whole page. This is it's only this half page, but they put two of them on the same page. You can either take a screenshot of half the page, or you can just click this page and drag it out that way onto your desktop. So that is what I did here. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this up. So this is what I have here of that PDF, and again, it is this form just like this, and it opened in preview. If you are a Mac user, any PDF that you open will open in preview. If you are a PC user, anything that I'm talking about right now, you will also have apps for as well. Okay, once you're in your preview, you want to hit the button that looks like the tip of a pen or a tip of a marker that's in a circle, and that's called, I forget what it's called. I think it's Show Markup Toolbar. Just kidding, I looked. Okay, but it's called Show Markup Toolbar. And when you click on that, a toolbar will come down that will let you pretty much do everything that a regular document has. It has the shapes tools, it has the scribble tools, the writing tools, the text boxes, everything. So this is how I edit PDFs normally when they're like more complex worksheets and math worksheets, and where it has tables and equations and things that I need that my students maybe need something more difficult, or maybe it's too difficult and I need to change the numbers a little bit. This is the way to do it. This is the way to do it. Okay, I can't wait to show you this one. I'm excited. Okay, because it's the same on the, it's a half sheet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just edit this, so I only have to edit half of this. But what you're going to do to edit is click on this little marker tip with a circle. It is Show Markup Toolbar. Okay, so that toolbar pops up right there. And basically this is everything that you have, well, not everything, but it's most of the editing tools that you need. So what I like to do is I like to come here to the Shape tool, grab a square or whatever shape that you want really, and put it over. Let's say I want to change all of these equations. Let's say they're a little bit too easy for my kids. I'm going to make that, oops, that was the line. I want the color to be white. So there you go. And I don't need all of this space here, so I'm actually gonna just go ahead and copy and paste a bunch of those boxes here. Okay, copy and paste a bunch of those boxes here. Actually, I might start off with some easier equations. Okay, and then maybe get harder as we go. There we go. So maybe I do want some one-step equations. I actually need to cover this one step, okay, and I'm going to have, I think I'm actually going to put, I might just change this title altogether so that my text looks the same. But you could just write a number instead. If you wanted to write like two-step equation, you could just write a number. All right, so after I covered those, I'm going to go up here to that text box, grab some text, and then I'm going to drag it across there, and then go ahead and write my equation. Oops, I have it on caps lock. So 2x, maybe I'll make this a, it's a little bit too big, so I'm going to try to match the text. So I'm going to click on this A here, and you can just go down until you get it the way or the size that you want. And then again, like I said, you can cover up all of them just to make sure that you have the same writing and to make it look like everything is matching. So the title, we're going to come up here with the text box and put just solving multi-step equations. And again, I'm going to put it in the middle there. Okay, this is just really cool being it's like I can copy paste those equations so that I have the bones or the structure first, and I can just go in and line them all up, and I can go in and edit just the text now. Like I said, you can write on it, and it can be in any color you want. It can be in any color that you want. You can select the whole thing, make it bigger, make it smaller. Let's say if you want to draw a heart, you can take that and make a huge heart. I don't know why you would want to do that, but they also have a signature. Oh, this is so cool. So you can click on the signature button, use your trackpad to sign, or use your camera and write your signature on a piece of paper, and then just hold it up to the camera on your computer and it will pop up on the screen for you. So that's really cool when you're creating certificates or something like that. This tool is awesome. This is my favorite way to edit math related PDFs and sorts of things like that. So anyways, once I have what I want on my document, all you have to do is take a screenshot. So Command-Shift-4 on a Mac, and I am just going to take a screenshot of the portion of this that I want. So I'm going to go about to there, take a screenshot, and it's going to come up onto my desktop, and from there I can put it into a Google Doc, copy and paste it so I can make it a full page and print. Or I'm actually going to show you in my next video how to make digital assignments, turning your PDFs into digital activities for your students, so stay tuned for that. But that's it for option 2, preview. It's really awesome what the markup toolbar can do. I hope you enjoyed option number 2. I hope that you learned something from this, and I hope that you'll try it soon for yourself. All right, let's check out option 3. So have you ever been waiting in line or waiting forever at the DMV or wherever you're waiting and you're always like scrolling through your phone, looking on Pinterest, finding things that you want? Just think of all of those things that you've screenshotted. If you can put those onto your computer and edit it just like that and make it into a worksheet. Well, you can. So my third way is any of your screenshots that you've taken, things that you found online, or any of the pictures that you've taken. If one of your teacher friends or somebody shows you something and you're just like, oh, let me take a picture, take that picture, and then follow these next steps. So for option 3, it's kind of a combination of option 1 and 2. So this is the picture that I came up with. I just took it off of my phone. Pro tip would be if you have taken a picture with your phone, you know how you get too far because you need it to focus and you get like the table behind it. My thumb is like always, this big thumb is always like in the corner of my picture. But whenever you have something like that, if you just Google remove background image, the very first link that comes up, I'll put the website down in the description box. So if you need a quick link to get to it, I use this for everything. I use it to edit my thumbnails on YouTube. I use it for everything. So this is remove BG. So you just click and drag your image into this here, and then you will get an image that is just the text. And then again, you'll open it into a preview, hit show markup toolbar, and then start drawing or writing all over it. But yes, so this is option 3, just using a picture from your phone and then using option 1 or option 2 to edit it. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you guys learned a strategy that you can use for editing a PDF. If you did, please let me know down in the comments which strategy that you're excited to use and which strategy that works best for you, or which one that you just haven't tried yet and you're excited to try. So yeah, if you learned something from the video, go ahead and hit the like button. It's at the bottom of this video. It really helps out my channel a lot. It helps it get seen by more people. And again, if you did like it, please share it with your friends and family or anybody that you know that can benefit and that this can help. Because like I said, my goal is to make videos and content that can help you, my viewers, and my subscribers, and then in turn you can help others and pass on the information so that everybody can live more stress-free. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot to say this in the beginning, but the other night I put my daughter to bed, I get on my computer like a normal night. I had a little notification on the YouTube one, so I click on the notification, and it wasn't like mentioning anything about subscribers or anything, but it was a notification about something else. But anyway, so it made me click on the YouTube link, and I had refreshed the page, and it was on my channel page, and I saw that I hit my goal finally. I think, okay, so I had a goal to hit 100 subscribers back in February, okay, or maybe March, I think it was March. But I'm finally hitting it now, and it's okay. It's July. But it's good. I said once I hit this goal that I was going to have a small giveaway, which I'm still gonna do. So stay tuned for my next video because I have it planned very soon. I will give you all the details then, and I am so grateful and so thankful and so excited that like 100 people are watching my videos. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching and supporting me and my channel and what I'm doing and what I believe in. It makes me happy. Let me know at any time whatever I can do to help you, or any videos or anything that you guys have questions with, math related, technology related, life related, parenting related, just anything. We can chat online. I can make a video if a lot of people want to see the same thing. But yeah, I really want to make this a community where we can come and help each other, and I hope that we can all just be one little close-knit dojo family. So yeah, we're gonna end that here. Don't forget to take advantage of the day and do something great, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.